Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at another Harbor Freight email that they sent out last night. These coupons expire on November 11th. We actually have a couple of new items that we've never seen before, which is always nice. And there was a lot of coupons here where the prices weren't the lowest that we've ever seen, but they were coupons that we don't get very often, so kind of rare coupons, and maybe it'll be something that you were holding out on and waiting for a coupon, and you'll be pleasantly surprised by this email. Also, I want to show you guys some tool deals, and we're going to take a look at that first. There's one in particular that I am both excited about and apprehensive, so we're going to talk more about that here. I think it's the last deal I'm going to show you, and there's really not a whole lot of new stuff for today. Nothing that I really found worth posting for the most part. This jigsaw is still available. When they come out with new codes, I'm trying to just bring the post to the top of the page instead of actually creating a whole new thing. They did raise the price a little bit. It was $29.99. I see I have to update it down here still. God damn, there's like 4 different places on the post that you have to update things, and I always forget one, so hang on. Alright, now we're back to some level of respectability. So anyway, this is still available. I don't know when it expires. They did raise it a little over $1, but still a really good deal, and it has really good reviews. I don't know anything about this brand, but we do have another deal by them. I guess Techpo, you pronounce it? I don't know. I did check the code for this morning. The multimeter is still good for $11.90. And the Smiling Shark is back. This is the one that they said was 5,000 lumens, and then someone told me that no, it's not 5,000 lumens, and then another person said that what they do is add the lumens of each individual light together to get a collective of 5,000 lumen, but that's not really an accurate way of doing it. Like, I don't know. It's 11/27, and it's supposed to be good until the end of tomorrow, but it seemed pretty popular as far as your guys' reaction initially. I guess I don't know. So that's up at the top. Now here's the deal I wanted to talk about. And I almost didn't post it. I was really apprehensive about this thing because I'm leery of cordless tools that, one, are an off-brand, and two, if I'm going to get into a cordless tool platform, I want like Milwaukee or DeWalt, not because of the name brand so much as because there's so many different tools that will use the same battery. And as far as I can tell, this Techpo brand, they have like 4 different tools that use this battery. But it was such a damn good deal. At $49, you're getting a hammer drill, the 1/4-inch hex impact, 2 batteries, and the charger. And that's just a damn good deal for $49. If you look at Harbor Freight's absolute bottom of the barrel, cheapest cordless they have, it's the Warrior. I believe the only other tool that uses the same battery is their flashlight. And the Warrior is up to $39.99, and all you get is the drill, a charger, which isn't a cradle charger, but like a plug-in barrel connector charger, and 1 battery. So for $10 more, it's also 18 volt, where this is 20 volt. I'm pretty sure it's 18 volt. I'm like 99% sure that's an 18 volt drill. So here you're getting a 20 volt. It is lithium ion. You get 2 batteries. You're getting a hammer drill instead of just a regular drill, and you're getting the impact. Plus, obviously, without having it, it's kind of hard to make too much comparisons. But you can see this has the metal chuck on it, which is nicer. The Warrior has a plastic chuck. I don't know, man. I don't know how long it'll last or how durable or any of that shit, but for $49, it was listed as $139.99. This is for today only, but they've also done that with the jigsaw and then came back. If you open up this post, we'll open it real quick. Here's the 3 other tools that you can also get. They're all 65% off today. It's basically the individual pieces out of this, except for they do have 1 drill that says it's a brushless drill. So you might be interested in it. I don't know. I think for home use or something, it would be perfect because you don't need DeWalt quality for someone who's just tooling around the house. I also think it would be an amazing gift because anyone who opens this isn't going to think it only costs $49. There's just too many pieces in there, even for a generic brand. Farm and Fleet has their generic brand. I forgot what it's called, but they have a similar set to this, and it's like $119, I think. So if you bought it as a gift, the person's definitely going to think you paid more than this for it. I don't know. I thought it was too good of a deal that I couldn't post it. So it's there, and I'll put a link down below to everything that I showed you guys, even though I think this was the only new thing. Everything else is just repost or still available. So it was a slow day as far as deals, but man, this thing is so intriguing to me for only $49. Oh, and it said it has a 2-year warranty, which beats the shit out of what Harbor Freight gives you on a cordless tool. Now, how reliable is that? Your guess is as good as mine on that one. Okay. Let's get into the coupons. I would be very interested in hearing what you guys think of that cordless set. For $40, it has to be worth taking a flyer on it. But the more expensive things get, the less I feel comfortable about posting things that might not work out. Like one of those lights, the headlamp or something that's like $5 or $10. Look, it was a cheap-ass light. We're taking a flyer. We're hoping it's good. It might be shit, but you know, who knows. But then you get things that are more expensive. And like, oh, God, if it's bad and then people complain, I'm going to feel bad for posting that. And anyway, all right. So we got the paint sprayer. We have another coupon available for the same price. The electric spray gun on the left. It's the only coupon available, but it's always the same price. The spray gun kit here, we have, it's the only coupon available. It's always the same price. This is the first coupon we've seen on the item since August. The step stool to the left, we already have another coupon for the same price. The ladder, we have another coupon for the same price. And the portable scaffold is the only coupon available, but it's always $169.99. We got the gloves. It's the only coupon. It's always the same price. The canvas drop cloth, we have another coupon at that price. The sander's the only coupon available, and it's always that price. We got a portable ventilator. Just looks like a cylindrical fan. I guess all fans are, but whatever. It's always the same price. That's the first coupon since August. The shop fan in the middle, it's the only coupon available. The last coupon was, that's wrong. That's wrong. I typed that wrong. That's awful. We're going to have to fix this. Hold on. So here's what I was supposed to say. The last coupon was $99.99. So it was $20 cheaper last time. Okay. I knew that didn't look right. Shop fan number 2. This one. We have another coupon for the same price. The TV wall mount, we have another coupon for the same price. The one to the left, we have another coupon available for $14.99, so you can get yourself it for $5 cheaper by using a different coupon on my website, struggleville.net, of course. And then on the right, the full motion mount. It's the only coupon available. It's always the same price, except one coupon was $37.99. Just one time they threw that out there. They apparently didn't like it because they never went back to it. Got the wire running kit. Only coupon available. The last coupon was the same price. The hole saw kit. It's the only coupon available. It's always the same price. They have another hole saw kit that's Hercules we're going to get to here in a little bit. Much, much more expensive. I can't imagine it's worth the price of admission, but who knows. Quinn pliers. It's the only coupon available. The last coupon was the same price. The hot dog air compressor. We have another coupon available for $39.99. And they have this coupon every day. Every day they issue a new coupon for this item. It is 100% always available, and 99.9% of the time it is $39.99. So they can piss up a rope with the $44.99. The extension cord, we have another coupon available for the same price. The pressure washer, we have another coupon available for $249.99. So save yourself $10 there. 50-foot electric drain cleaner. It's the only coupon available, and it's always the same price. This thing had me doing a little bit of digging, actually, because we just did the video. We did the premiere yesterday, which it was a lot of fun talking with a bunch of you guys in the live chat during that. It was the most I've talked to most of you at like one sitting or whatever. And anyway, there's a 50-foot electric drain cleaner in there, and there was a coupon. So when I was looking it up, and this is the only coupon available for this item, and it's always at that price. but I was getting really confused, and the item number is 1 digit off, and the other one's called like commercial or industrial or something, but otherwise it looks like the exact same damn thing. So anyway, we got the Apache. It's an Indian case. Don't put your Indians in it though. It's probably racist or cultural appropriation or some shit. I don't know. It's the only coupon available and always the same price. Bulk storage. Another coupon available for $79.99. And the framing nailer. It's the only coupon available. It's always the same price. This is the first time we've seen a coupon on that since July. Oh, shit. There we go. The planer. It's the only coupon available. It's always $249.99. The wrench set in the middle. Only coupon available. Always either $18.99 or $19.99. The microfibers. Only coupon available. Always the same price. First coupon since July. However, there is a smaller pack that you can get for free with a coupon. The bar clamp. It's the only coupon available, and the last coupon was the same price. The impact driver. This is covered with the same price with the $10 off any Hercules Cordless Kit. And here is a perfect example. The Hercules is a 20 volt. You only get the hex. And does it say dual only anywhere on that? Oh, it's a kit. Okay, so it comes with the battery and the charger, and you're paying $100. How much better is the Hercules than the Tecpo? Or is it better at all? Who knows? I should stop saying who knows. I feel like I've said that like 20 times. I'm going to make it my mission not to say who knows again in this entire video. Okay, the Diablo. Where's it at? Only coupon available, always the same price. Stapler on the left. It's the only coupon available, always the same price. The drill bits, we have another coupon at that price. The utility knife, we have another coupon at that price. The pop-up canopy, we have another coupon at the same price. The winch, it's the only coupon available, but we used to always see it at $249.99. They've jacked it up $20. The Bauer Hammer Kit, another coupon available for the same price. And the charger, only coupon available, always the same price. The miter saw is the only coupon available, and it's always the same price. The plunge blade, another coupon is available for the same price. That seems odd. $4 for like one of those? I've seen entire kits, and so here we are with the 4 new items. Got a pair of Camo Gloves. They are really on one with introducing new gloves. I think all of this style have been the Hardy brand, but damn, there is a lot of new gloves. Like, how many new gloves can you have? And cold weather gloves? What are they, just insulated? I mean, I don't understand. I don't get it. But the Camo Gloves, that's the first coupon. The cold weather gloves, that's the first coupon for that too. That son of a bitch damn Halogen Light is back. It's always the same price. It's the only coupon available. I should throw that in the trash. And the hole saw kit, the overpriced hole saw kit. Hercules, $49.99. It's the only coupon available, and it's always the same price. So, that's it for this video. There'll be a link down below to the post on my website with the best available coupons from this, which it was like 25 or something. I mean, it really was a pretty good email as far as Harbor Freight goes. And then I'll put a link to those different tool deals down below. And yeah, so if you like this video, you want to see more tool deals, more coupons, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Consider clicking the join button. I appreciate that. And that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching, guys. By the way, this is the exact kind of thing that people keep telling me I have to stop doing. Like, you're losing subscribers. If you want to get big on YouTube, you gotta stop. You gotta stop the cussing. You gotta stop yelling at people. I'm sorry, I can't hold back. You're not worth paying to watch something early. What a waste of time to you losers who pay for early videos. No one paid to watch a video early. Go away, bitch. I hope he took my advice.